All right, we're over here in Old Farm Estates, Sugar City, Idaho. I wanted to walk you through this gorgeous twin home that's available. We're just gonna step right up. You can kind of see the neighborhood here. I'll just do a quick little pan of the neighborhood. This is a beautiful home, brand new construction, just completed. Just step through the front door here, give you a feel of this really beautiful wide entryway. See the LVP on the floor. As you step in to the left, you got this really beautiful little deacon's bench. Hang hooks there for coats, of course. Coat closet here in the corner. And just off the coat closet and the deacon's bench area is the laundry room. Just give you a quick look at that. You got really nice uppers. Hot, cold, of course. And pan back to the front door. Just as you come in to the right of the front door, you've got 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. I'm going to step back here and open this garage door, which is just off of the hallway here. So again, coat closet, laundry center, and really nice sized 2-car garage. And you've got a utility here in the garage, which is a really nice space for that. All tucked away and secure. Back in the home, let's check out the 2 beds. Right here, first bedroom. It's a queen size bed, so you can see the space. Really nice sized room. Tall ceilings. Big windows. Lots of ambient light. Good quality carpet. Show you the closet savers in here. Everything's just ready to go with the closet savers. And between these 2 rooms is the first full bathroom. So you got solid surface countertops, beautiful custom wood cabinets. And a tub shower surround. Bedroom number 2, similar sized room. Really nice space, just really flows well. Again, same closet savers in there. And as you come down the hallway into the main room, you get your kitchen and dining here to the right, your living room here to the left, space there in the middle of that for television, of course. Again, lots of light and really nice sized dining area with your chandelier centered over the table. And the kitchen is just beautiful. Lots of cabinets. Large island and pantry. Again, solid surface. That same higher end wood cabinet. Corner pantry. Lots of shelves and space there. They've just done a really good job here. I'm going to show you the face frames here. Dishwasher and all your lowers there in the island, and give you your cabinets there for lowers and uppers. Really nice. They've put in this home General Electric on the appliances. Really nice units. This pan here show you the GE microwave, oven range, and refrigerator. Again, it's a side view of the dining area. And pan into the living area. They've done really well here with storage. This is another storage closet in addition to the coat closet that we've just seen and the pantry. And the master. That's a king bed frame there, so lots and lots of room. And this is an oversized room. You can see on this side you've got, I'd say, 3.5 feet. On this side of that bed, probably closer to 6.5 feet. So a lot of room here. The lighting is excellent. And walking into the master bath. Dual sinks, again solid surface. They've hit it out of the park on this master bathroom. As you step in, you have a soaker tub with tile surround, and just right of the soaker tub is this beautiful tiled shower. Really pretty. And a really good job. You got an enclosed toilet and a really large walk-in closet. I'll actually step in here and try to give you a feel of the size of this thing. Beautiful home. If you have any questions on this home or you'd like to preview it in person, please contact the Countrywide Properties Group, Keller Williams Realty, East Idaho, and we would be happy to show it to you. 208-356-7300 or www.eastidahorealestate.com. Thank you for taking the virtual tour.